ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पेज नंबर 87। What is the definition of vyapti? We saw अशेष साधन आश्रय आश्रित साध्य सामानाधिकरण्य रूपा। अशेष साधन आश्रय आश्रित साध्य सामानाधिकरण्य रूपा व्याप्ति। What is the प्रयोजक for व्याप्ति?
सहचार दर्शन।
सहचार दर्शन। सो व्यभिचार अदर्शनत्वे सति सहचार दर्शनत्व। एवं व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य अनुमितिकरणत्वेन अनुमानत्वं प्रसाद्य इदानीम् अनुमान त्रैविध्यम् अपि नैयायिकादिवत् अस्मन्मते नास्ति इति आशयेन आह। एवं इन दिस वे व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य अनुमितिकरणत्वेन अनुमानत्वं प्रसाद्य। व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य अनुमितिकरणत्वं मीन्स व्याप्ति ज्ञानम व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य अनुमितिकरणत्वं व्याप्ति ज्ञानम
अनुमितिकरणम
अनुमितिकरणम व्याप्ति ज्ञानम इज अनुमितिकरणम करणत्वेन अनुमानत्वं प्रसाद्य। सो व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य अनुमान अनुमितिकरणत्वेन अनुमानत्वं दिस इज सेट इज डन। प्रसाद्य प्रसाद्य मीन्स साध्य दिस सिद्धि इज डन। इदानीम अनुमान त्रैविध्यम अपि नैयायिकादिवत् अस्मन्मते नास्ति। नैयायिकादि एक्सेप्ट three anumanam. Three types of anumanam they accept. Vedanti does not accept three anumanams. Vedanti accepts only one. Iti ashayana aha. Moolam. Taccha anumanam anvai rupam ekameva. Vedanti accepts only one anumanam, anvai rupam. Naiyayikas, what are the three anumanams they accept?
केवल अन्वयी केवल व्यतिरेक अन्वय व्यतिरेक।
See in Tika it is given. न तो केवलान्वयी केवल व्यतिरेकी अन्वय व्यतिरेकी भेदात् त्रिविधम इत्यर्थः। Naiyayikas they accept three: केवलान्वयी, केवल व्यतिरेकी, अन्वय व्यतिरेकी. Vedanti अन्वयी रूपम. So somebody says अन्वयी रूपम means you are saying केवलान्वयी. No. अन्वय रूपम is अन्वय मुख व्याप्ति ज्ञान रूपम, अन्वय मुख व्याप्ति ज्ञान रूपम। इन टीका ननु परोक्ष भेदानां जागरूकत्वे कथम अनुमानस्य एकरूपत्वम् इति आशंक्य आद्य भेदम निराचष्टे। परोक्ष भेद are of three types. I mean, paroksha bheda, they are of many. Paroksha vastu means something which is not indriya pratyaksha. They can be bhinna. There are bhedas in them. So paroksha bhedanam jagrupatve katham anumanasya ekarupatvam. How do you say only one type of anumanam will be sufficient? इति आशंक्य आद्य भेदम निराचष्टे। न तो केवलान्वयी।
Parokta bhedam is given, Swamiji.
परोक्ष भेदाना, हाँ,
Parokta.
परोक्त is the reading. Okay. परोक्त भेदानाम जागरूकत्वे. परोक्त is also okay. परैहि उक्तः परोक्तः. What is said by the other people means नैयायिक. परोक्त भेदानाम जागरूकत्वे कथम अनुमानस्य एकरूपत्वम्. परोक्त परोक्ष. Either way it is okay. Patha bheda could be there. Both patha can be correct. So they accept kevalanvayi, kevala vyatireki, anvaya vyatireki. We say it is anvayi rupam. So somebody may think anvayi rupam and kevalanvayi, they sound similar only. So Siddhanti says not to kevalanvayi. This is not kevalanvayi. Why? टीका तदहि अत्यंताभाव अप्रतियोगी साध्यकम. This अनुमानम केवलान्वयी. If you say what is kevalanvayi means, you remember what is kevalanvayi? The one whose only anvaya is there, whose vyatireka is not there. Like Akasha is see tippani number 1. Akasha is kevalanvayi like that. केवलान्वयी अनुमानम ही अत्यंता भावस्य, you have to say अप्रतियोगी साध्य. अत्यंता भावस्या प्रतियोगी साध्यम. यस्य तद अत्यंता भावा प्रतियोगी साध्यकम. अत्यंता भावस्य अप्रतियोगी साध्यम यस्य तत् अत्यंता भावा प्रतियोगी साध्यकम. whose अत्यंता भाव सी घटः. घट's अत्यंता भाव can be there.
Yes.
Yes. Ghatasya atyanta bhava can be there. So Ghata will become what will be Ghata?
प्रतियोगी.
Pratiyogi.
Atyanta bhava pratiyogi. The one whose abhava can be there will be अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगी. पट अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगी means अनित्य वस्तु will become अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगी. That which is nitya, like akasha. Akasha will have atyantabhava pratiyogitvam or atyantabhava apratiyogitvam.
अत्यन्ताभाव अप्रतियोगित्वम्.
अत्यंताभावा प्रतियोगित्वम. Akasha will have atyantabhava apratiyogitvam. Therefore, that which is atyantabhavasya apratiyogi, that is called kevalanvayi. Whose anvaya alone you can see, whose vyatireka you don't have. Whether it is any object or in anumanam a sadhya vastu. So, atyantabhava pratiyogi sadhyakam. This is kevalanvayi anumanam. This much line is clear in Tippani.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swami.
Further, yatha वाच्यम ज्ञेयत्वात् इत्यादि. यथा वाच्यम ज्ञेयत्वात्. What do you understand by this? This is a little difficult. Vachyam is sadhya. ज्ञेयत्वात् is hetu. So he has given anumanam in this much. Yatha vachyam ज्ञेयत्वात्. Sadhya is vachyam. Jneyatva is hetu. What will be the vyapti? Yatra yatra jneyatvam tatra tatra vachyatvam. So this vyapti is true or not? Wherever there is jneyatvam, is there vachyatvam?
No.
Swamiji, Vachya means here Vachyartha or speech.
No.
It will differ for Nayayikas and Vedantas.
No, you have to. Who accepts kevalanvayitvam?
Vedanta.
Nayyayika.
Nayayika. Swamiji, that also.
So
There
yatha
is-
no. So then yatha vachyam
Yes.
jneyatvam. This anumanam is Nayyayika anumanam. This tippani is for Nayyayika. Kevalanvayi anumanam is accepted by Nayyayika. So yatha vachyam jneyatvam is for Nayyayika. This is
Swamiji,
true. This vyapti is true.
if we take in case of Vedanta,
No,
who
this is
does
for
not accept
This is-
Kevalanvayi.
This is not for Vedanti. This
Yes,
is Nayyayika.
Swamiji. Previous statement.
नैयायिक मते वाच्यत्व ज्ञेयत्वयोः कुत्रापि विरहा भावेन लक्षण समन्वयः. See the टिप्पणी. नैयायिक मते वाच्यत्व ज्ञेयत्वयोः कुत्रापि विरह भावेन. Is there any viraha? Means ज्ञेयत्व is there, वाच्यत्व is not there, or वाच्यत्व is there, ज्ञेयत्व is not there. There is no such viraha. Therefore, Lakshana Samanvaya is there in Naiyayika Mata for Kevalanvayi Anumanam. What is Vachyatvam? What is the other word for Vachyatvam?
Abhidheyatvam.
Correct. Vachyatvam is Avidheyatvam. If they change the word a little, we don't know what they are saying. Abhidheyatvam, Prameyatvam, they are Kevalanvayi in Nyayamata. So, Atyanta Bhava Pratiyogi Sadhyakam, further in Tika. Nacha Asman Mate Brahmatiriktam Kinchid Atyanta Bhava, Kinchidapi Atyanta Bhava Pratiyogi. But in our Mata, Asman Mate, Vedanta Mate, Brahmatiriktam Kinchidapi Atyanta Bhava Pratiyogi Nasti. Brahma alone is Atyanta Bhava Pratiyogi. Why?
Brahma is Nitya.
No, this answer is not precise. What is the answer?
There is no abhava of Brahma.
Not Prameya.
No, what was your sentence? Brahma is Nityam, right? This is what you said?
Yes, sir.
What is missing in this Vakya? Brahma alone is Nityam. When you make a statement, that statement should be 200% precise. That is why those who make casual statements, they will never become good student of Nyaya, and they will never have this clarity on how to make any proper statement. Brahma is Nityam. If you say like that, they say we also have 20 Nityam things in Nyaya. We are not saying Brahma is Nityam. We are saying Brahma alone is Nityam. And therefore, what is the statement? Brahma atiriktam asman mate kinchidapi atyanta bhava pratiyogi nasti. Brahma is Nityam is a general statement. Brahma alone. So they say Akasha is Nityam. We say no, Akasha is not Nityam. They say Dik, Kal, Atma, Manaha, everything is Nityam. All Parmanus are Nityam. Nothing. So according to Vedanta Mata, what is Atyanta Bhava Pratiyogi?
Brahma eva.
Only Brahma. Actually, we say Sarvam Vakyam Savadharanam. Means every Vakya, Eva is always there. Have you heard this rule or not? Sarvam Vakyam Savadharanam.
Yes, Swamiji.
So if somebody says, on Ekadashi day, I am doing Phalahara. Means what?
Only on Ekadasi day I'm doing Phalahara.
Huh? What are
On
you?
Ekadasi day I'm doing only Phalahara.
Not eating roti, dal, chawal, sabji, everything. Then after that, eating some more fruits. This is not called Phalahara. Payovratam means only milk, not everything else, and 2 glasses of milk morning, evening. But when you have to make it very precise, then explicit eva shabda prayoga is done. नेह नानास्ति किंचन इत्यादि श्रुत्या सर्वस्यापि ब्रह्मनिष्ठ अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगित्व अवधारणात् तथाभूत केवलान्वयित्वस्य असिद्धेः इत्याह. By the Shruti, neha nanasti kinchana. By the Shruti, sarvasya api brahmanishtha atyanta bhava pratiyogitva avadharanat. Sarvasya brahmanishtha atyanta bhava pratiyogitva. Everything is nishtha in Brahma. All atyanta bhava pratiyogi vastus are nishtha in Brahma. घट इज अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगी.
Yes, Swamiji.
पट इज अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगी.
Yes.
Yes, Swamiji.
ब्रह्म इज अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगी.
No.
But Brahma is ashraya for ghata, pata ityadi. Therefore, all of them are brahmanishtha. Brahmanishtha atyanta bhava pratiyogitva avadharana iti tathabhuta kevalanvayitwasya asiddhehe. Therefore, tathabhuta kevalanvayi, the way Nayayikas accept, we don't accept. It is asiddha for us. Moolam sarvasyapi dharmasya asman mate ब्रह्मनिष्ठ अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगित्वेन अत्यंता भावा प्रतियोगी साध्यकत्व रूप केवलान्वयित्वस्य असिद्धेः. सर्वस्य अपि धर्मस्य, ऑल धर्म अस्मन् मते ब्रह्मनिष्ठ अत्यंता भाव अप्रतियोगित्वेन. They all are ब्रह्मनिष्ठ अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगी. All. Dharmasya means padarthasya. And therefore, atyanta bhava apratiyogi sadhyakatva rupa kevalanvayitwasya brahma vyatiriktena asiddhe. Other than Brahma, nothing is atyanta bhava apratiyogi sadhya. Brahma alone will be there. So there is no such other thing. What they call as kevalanvayi. So one part is over. Now second is keval vyatireki and third will be anvay vyatireki. Evam prathama bhedam nirakritya keval vyatireki rupam dvitiya bhedam vyachaste. So that I think it sounds accurate if we say parokta bhedana instead of paroksha. Kailash reading is parokta.
Yes, Swamiji.
So parokta bheda is 3. Kevalanvayi, keval vyatireki, anvay vyatireki. Kevalanvayi refuted. Now keval vyatireki refuting. Evam prathama bhedam nirakritya keval vyatireki rupam dvitiya bhedam nirachaste. Its nirakaranam is being done. Napi anumanasya vyatireki rupatvam. Anumana as vyatireki, Vedanti says we don't accept kevala vyatireki anumanam. Then what do you accept? We say we accept arthapatti. Now, 1 number tippani you see. I told you in this book, tippani is the savior, very helpful. He has elaborated lot of points in tippani. Without tippani, we would have completed Vedanta Paribhasha now by at least 75 to 80%. Because of Tippani, we are going slow. In other texts where Tippani is not there, only Moolam Tika, you can go very fast. व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति ज्ञान जन्य अनुमिति कारणत्वम अनुमानस्य व्यतिरेकत्वम. What is व्यतिरेकत्वम? व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति ज्ञान जन्य अनुमिति कारणत्वम. व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति ज्ञान जन्य. This is अनुमानस्य व्यतिरेकत्वम. How he explains. साध्याभाव व्यापकी भूत अभाव प्रतियोगित्वम व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति ही. पर्वतो वन्यमान धूमात. What is the अन्वय व्याप्ति?
यत्र यत्र धूमः तत्र तत्र वह्निः.
यत्र यत्र धूमस् तत्र तत्र वह्निः. What is साध्य?
Vakni.
वन्य. What will be साध्य? अभाव.
Vakni.
वन्य. So वन्य अभाव व्यापकी भूत अभाव. वन्य अभाव व्यापकी भूत अभाव means that other abhava will be vyapaka or vyapya.
व्यापक.
Vyapya.
Raise hands. How many of you say vyapaka? And how many of you say vyapya? Vyapaka is correct. Other abhav will be vyapaka of sadhya bhava. Because what will be the nature of vyatireka vyapti? Yatra yatra sadhya bhava tatra tatra kim?
हेतु अभाव.
Huh?
हेतु अभाव.
हेतु अभाव. यत्र यत्र साध्या भाव तत्र तत्र हेतु अभाव. So what is the vyapaki bhuta bhava?
Sadhya bhava.
हेतु अभाव.
हेतु अभाव. In sadhya, hetu and sadhya, vyapaka and vyapya, and hetu abhav and sadhya abhav. In these 6 terms itself, khichadi. Between sadhya and sadhana or hetu, just let's keep it hetu only. Between sadhya and hetu, what is vyapya?
हेतु is व्याप्य.
When I say what is vyapya, you just say hetu.
हेतु.
Between sadhya and hetu, what is vyapaka?
Sadhya.
साध्य.
Between sadhya bhava and hetu abhava, what is vyapaka?
Hetu.
Hetu abhava. And sadhya bhava will be vyapya. So yatra yatra sadhya bhava tatra tatra hetu abhava. साध्या भाव व्यापकी भूत अभाव. साध्या भावस्य व्यापकी भूतो यो अभाव तत् अभावस्य प्रतियोगित्वम. दिस इज व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति. Yes.
Swamiji, does Vyapya means pervaded?
No,
Vyapya means pervaded, no?
don't use this pervaded language anymore. Use Vyapya and Vyapaka only. Because
But I'm not clear on the meaning.
every time you will not be able to go on translating in English in mind and then think Vyapya, Vyapaka, Vyapya, Vyapaka. So, Vyapya means the one whose sahachar is always there. Vyapaka is the one whose Vyapya is the one whose presence is always there. Sorry, Vyapaka is the one whose presence is always there. Vyapya is the one whose presence may be there, may not be there. Like in Ayogolaka, one his presence will be there, but Dhuma is not there.
Okay, Swamiji.
So sadhya bhav vyapaki bhuta abhav pratiyogitvam vyatireka vyapti. Anvaya vyaptau, he explains this, okay? Anvaya vyaptau tu dhuma sattve vanni sattvam iti vyapyena dhumena व्यापकस्य वन्नेः आरोपो भवति. व्याप्येन धूमेन व्यापकस्य वन्नेः आरोप. व्याप्य is dhuma, vyapaka is vanni. Aropo bhavati. Aropo bhavati means if dhuma is there, vanni has to be there. This is the aropa. Abhavayostu tad viparitaha karya karana bhava. In case of abhava, karya karana bhava is viparita. Yatha yatra yatra vanya bhavas tatra tatra dhuma bhava iti. This much you all know now. तथा च साध्यस्य वन्नेः अभावेन साधनस्य अभावः साध्यते. तस्य कुत्र उपयोगः? Vedanti is asking साध्यस्य वन्नेः. If साध्य वन्नी its अभाव, साध्यस्य वन्नेः अभावेन साधनस्य अभावः साध्यते. साध्यस्य वन्नेः अभावेन साधनस्य अभावः साध्यते. तस्य कुत्र उपयोगः? वन्नी अभावेन साधनस्य अभावः, धूम अभावः. If this kind of siddhi we do this siddhi in अन्वय व्याप्ति और व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति.
व्यतिरेक.
Yatireka.
So Siddhanti says tasya kutra upayogah. Where do you use such thing? साधनस्य धूमस्य प्रत्यक्ष सिद्धत्वात्. व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति you are seeing where there is vanni abhava, there is dhuma abhava. But dhuma is pratyaksha siddha. Why do you want to use व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति? धूमस्य प्रत्यक्ष सिद्धत्वात् तव अनुमान उपयोग अभावात्. Your anumana upayoga is not there. That when sadhya abhav is there, then hetu abhav will be there. But hetu we are seeing pratyaksha. Purvapakshi will say, no, this Yatireka Vyapti we are not going to use in Vanni Dhuma Drashtanta. I'll give you different Drashtanta. Prithvi itarebhyo vidyate gandhavatvat. In this Drashtanta. So here you don't have Anvai Drashtanta. Prithvi itarebhyo vidyate gandhavatvat. What is the sadhya?
इतरेभ्यो विद्यते.
Itarebhyo vidyate. You have to put it in.
पुनः.
This is kriya. Vidyate is kriya. You have to say either itara bhedaha or itara bhinnatvam. What will be the Vyapti? Anvay Vyapti.
यत्र यत्र गन्धवत्वं तत्र तत्र इतरत्र भिन्नत्वम्।
Tatra tatra itara bheda.
इतरभेदः।
Itara bheda. Iti atra anvaya drishtanta abhavat. Anvaya drishtanta is not there. Why anvaya drishtanta is not there?
Gandha is present only in Prithvi. Gandha is present only in Prithvi.
I didn't hear what you said. You are trying to
He
say
said-
something. Somebody is trying to say something, but I cannot hear. Only air is coming.
He said, Gandhavatvam is present only in
Let him speak. Let him speak. What did you say?
Gandha is present in Prithvi. Only in
Gandha.
Prithvi.
Gandha is what?
Present.
Gandha is present only in Prithvi. What other person? What are you saying? Nothing is coming. There is no sound. No, you have to use the word paksha, sapaksha. What is drishtanta? Drishtanta means there where there is sapaksha.
Sapaksha.
What is sapaksha?
Sapaksha will
Huh? What is sapaksha? Nishchita sadhyavan sapaksha. Nishchita sadhya abhavavan vipaksha. So, nishchita sadhya, other than Prithvi, it is not available anywhere. Therefore, there is no anvaya drishtanta. यत्र अन्वय दृष्टांत अभावात् अत्र अन्वय दृष्टांत अभावात् यन्न गंधवत् तन्न पृथ्वी इतर भिन्नम यन्न गंधवत् तन्न पृथ्वी इतर भिन्नम what is not gandhavat is not prithvi itara bhinna. See, prithvi itara, can you see?
yes, Swami.
पृथ्वी इतर भिन्न पृथ्वी इतर what is itara?
Jala, Teja.
Jala teja, you don't say one you say
Akasha, Vayu, Teja, Jala.
8 dravyas other than prithvi. Then what is prithvi itara? Why it is so difficult? If this is prithvi, what is itara? 8 dravyas, then other 6 padarthas, I mean, other 8 dravyas like jala, teja, vayu, akasha ityadi. But also you have to say in that itara, guna, karma, samanya, vishesha, samavaya, abhav, they all are prithvi itara or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
This we have seen before. When you say prithvi itara means not only jala, vayu, teja, everything else other than prithvi. यन न गंधवत तन न पृथ्वी इतर भिन्न. दिस इज दी व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति. यन न गंधवत तन न पृथ्वी इतर भिन्न इति साधना भावेन साध्या भाव साधन पुरस्सरम पृथिव्याम इतर भेदः साध्यते. साधना भावेन साध्या भाव साधन पुरस्सरम. So what we are doing is sadhana bhavena sadhya bhava. Sadhya bhava sadhana purassaram. That sadhana, keeping sadhana in mind, sadhya bhava is set with the help of sadhana bhava. Sadhana bhavena sadhya bhava sadhana purassaram. Prithvivyam itar bhedah sadhyate. In Prithvi has itar bheda. Prithvi will have itar bheda. तस्या व्यतिरेक व्याप्त्याः साध्यस्य अनुमिति प्रमायाम अनुपयोग एव. Siddhanti says this tasyaha means
व्यतिरेक व्याप्त्याः.
व्यतिरेक व्याप्त्याः तस्याः व्यतिरेक व्याप्त्याः साध्यस्य अनुमिति प्रमायाम अनुपयोग. व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति for साध्यस्य अनुमिति साध्यस्य अनुमिति प्रमायाम अनुपयोग एव. अन्य व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्यापि अन्य लिंगक अनुमिति हेतुत्वे अति प्रसंगात्. In sadhya anumiti prama vyatireka vyapti is of no use. And he says anya vyapti jnana for anya lingaka anumiti, in that ati prasanga can happen. Anya vyapti jnanam for anya lingaka anumiti. How? He explains. Tatha hi साध्या भावनिष्ठा. साध्य भावनिष्ठा नहीं, साध्या भावनिष्ठा. साध्या भावनिष्ठा या साधना भाव निरूपिता व्याप्ति. साध्या भाव निष्ठा या साधन अभाव निरूपिता व्याप्ति what is sadhya bhava and sadhana bhava, he explains. Yatha gandha bhava vyapya इतर भेद अभाव इति. गंधा भाव ही साध्य भाव और साधना भाव
साधना
भाव. गंधा भाव is sadhana भाव and gandha भाव व्याप्य will be which अभाव?
व्यतिरेक व्यतिरेक
इतर भेद अभाव. गंधा भाव व्याप्य will be इतर भेद अभाव. इतर भेद अभाव will be व्याप्य और व्यापक.
व्यापक.
इतर भेद अभाव.
व्याप्य
The अनुमानम is पृथ्वी इतरेभ्यो भिद्यते गंधवत्वात्. So यन्न गंधवत तन्न पृथ्वी इतर भिन्नम और यन्न पृथ्वी इतर भिन्नम तन्न गंधवत. So here गंधा भाव व्याप्य इतर भेद अभाव. गंध अभावस्य व्याप्य. So गंध अभाव will be व्यापक. इतर भेद अभाव will be व्याप्य. यन्न पृथ्वी इतर भिन्नम तन्न गंधवत. तथा चेत पृथिव्याम गंधवत्वम साध्यते ततो अन्यगतेन अभावगतेन व्याप्ति ज्ञानेन अन्यस्याम पृथिव्याम गंधवत्वम साध्यते. By this, what Siddhanti or Purvapakshi will say, by this we are proving that in Prithvi there is Gandha. Prithivyam Gandhavatvam sadhyate. So it is Anyagatena Abhavagatena Vyapti Jnanena Abhavagata Vyapti Jnanena Prithivyam Gandhavatvam Siddhi you are doing. Because your Vyapti Jnanam is based on Abhava. And Siddhi you are doing of Gandha in Prithvi. This is by saying Anya Vyapti Jnanena Anya Lingata Anumanam. Iti Apannam. And he gives Drishtanta to make it more clear. Tathacha Kritakatvam Anityatva Vyapyam. Iti Kritakatva Nishtha अनित्यत्व निरूपित व्याप्ति ज्ञानेन धूमाद वन्नी अनुमिति आपत्ति ही स्यात्. कृतकत्वम अनित्यत्व व्याप्यम. कृतकत्वम अनित्यत्व व्याप्यम. व्हाट इज द व्यापक?
कृतकत्वम्.
अनित्यत्वम is व्यापक. अनित्यत्वम is व्यापक. कृतकत्वम अनित्यत्व व्याप्य इति कृतकत्वनिष्ठ अनित्यत्व निरूपित व्याप्ति ज्ञान है. तो यत्र यत्र कृतकत्वम तत्र तत्र अनित्यत्वम. कृतकत्वनिष्ठ अनित्यत्व निरूपित व्याप्ति ज्ञान है धूमाद वन्नी अनुमिति आपत्ति स्यात्. It is by saying if I have the answer for kritakatva and anityatva, I will do the siddhi of Vanni Anumanam by Dhuma. You have Vyapti of Kritakatva and Anityatva. And you are doing Siddhi of Vanni through Dhuma. How they are contradictory, exactly like that, Siddhanti is telling Purvapakshi, you are doing this only. You are trying to do Abhava Vyapti Jnanena Prithvi Gandhavatvam Siddhi. Bhavati hi Dhumo Vanni Vyapya. इति अस्माद् एव व्याप्ति ज्ञानात् वन्य अनुमिति. Dhuma is only vyapya. By this jnanam, I will have vanya anumiti. Not by kritakatva, anityatva, vyapti jnanam, I will have vanya anumiti. Natu kritakatva nishtha anityatva nirupita vyapti jnanena iti dik. This much is enough. Siddhanti says. Means Siddhanti does not accept vyatireki vyapti. Does not accept Anvay, Kevala Anvayi and Kevala Vyatireki. And for Kevala Vyatireki, we are going to use Arthapatti Praman. Okay, so two are done. Then next is refuting Anvay Vyatireki. But Moolam is remaining, we will see in the following session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.